everyone. In this video, I am going to talk about an algorithm. So, what is an algorithm? So, before going into the definition of an algorithm, think about a situation. Suppose you are having a problem and you want to solve the problem. What are the thing you are going to do? What are the steps you are going to follow? You are going to follow certain steps so that you can get the desired solution for that problem. Okay. So, an algorithm is defined as a set of instructions when followed in sequence gives you the desired output. So, solving a problem means you are going to follow certain steps in a step sequence, okay, in a meaningful way. Then only you will get the solution. So, this is an algorithm. This is what algorithm means. Algorithm is the term which are used for a set of instructions that are followed in sequence to get a desired solution for a particular problem P. Okay. So, this algorithm has got certain features. So, let us see what are the important features of an algorithm. So, the first important feature of an algorithm is that it should have a set of inputs. It should have a set of input. Okay, and this input means you are supposed to provide 0 or more inputs to your algorithm. Then only it will give you the solution for your problem. Okay, so it should have a set of inputs. And the next important feature is that your algorithm should contain, as I told you, that your algorithm contains a set of instructions. So each instruction should be uniquely defined. That means it should be unambiguous. That means it should not create any confusion. So uniquely defined. Each instruction should be uniquely defined. And the next feature is that your algorithm should end after certain number of steps. That means your algorithm should contain finite number of steps. It should start at some point, and after some steps it should end. Otherwise what happens? It will go for an infinite loop. It will go for an infinite process that we don't want. Okay. So your algorithm should contain finite number of steps. That is what the next feature indicates, finiteness. Okay. And the next feature of an algorithm is that it should produce the desired output. That means there should be one output for your algorithm. Okay, it should give you an output. And the next feature is that it should be simple. That means it should be written in such a way that any layman can understand what this algorithm means. That means it should be written in a simple English-like language, so that it should be suited for any layman, for any non-programmer person. Okay, so these are the features. It should be simple. These are the features listed. These are the features which are for your algorithm. Okay. So, let us take one example. Suppose you want to buy a fish from the market. What are the steps you are going to follow? I am going to write an algorithm for buying a fish from market. Okay. So, this will give you a small introduction regarding how to write an algorithm. This is a very simple question. How to buy a fish from market. Okay. So, the first thing is that you are writing the algorithm like this. Step 1. What is the first step? You are starting the process. So there should be a start step. You are starting the process. You are initiating the process. And the second step should be take money. Before going to market, what you are going to do? What you are supposed to do? Naturally you have to have money. So you are taking money from the desired person at the home or from your own pocket, anything. So you have to take money. And the next step is that go to the market. Go to the market. And the step 4 is that after reaching the market, what you are going to do? You are purchasing the fish. You are purchasing your desired fish. That means and you are paying the cost for your fish. Okay, so you are buying the fish. Buy the fish. Okay, and after that what? Next step is after buying the fish, you are returning back to home. Return to home. And step 6 is what? Stop. So this is a very simple example of an algorithm, how to write an algorithm. You can see that here are a certain finite number of steps are there. The start is there, you are starting the process and you are taking money, then go to the market, buy the fish, return to home, stop. So these are the steps. When these steps are followed in sequence, you are definitely going to get the fish from the market and you are ending the process. You are solving this problem. Okay, so what was the problem? To buy the fish. And what is the solution? These are the solution. When you have followed all these steps one by one, you have actually bought the fish from market. Okay, so this is an example of an algorithm. So the next question is, why you are going to write an algorithm? What are the advantages of writing an algorithm? So the main advantage of writing, you can see that this algorithm is written in a simple English-like language. So any layman can understand that. Okay. So this algorithm is written before the coding process in the programming field. So it is a blueprint for the coding process. So before writing the actual code for solving a problem, this algorithm is written. Okay. So it is acting as a blueprint for the coding process. Also, when suppose during the execution process some errors happens, what happens? You can easily rectify those errors. So it assists in debugging process also. Okay, and it helps in the maintenance phase also. You can get the errors, you can change any code. If you want to make your project more suitable, you can make any changes in the algorithm and you can rectify that. All that happens in the maintenance phase. And also it promotes coordination and communication among all the team members present in the project team. Okay, so these are the advantages of an algorithm. So hope it is clear to you why you are writing an algorithm, what is an algorithm, what is the purpose of writing an algorithm, what are the features of an algorithm, and one of the examples, simple example related to an algorithm, and what are the advantages of an algorithm. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this is clear to all of you. Do like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.